Even in the 27 long years that Nelson Mandela spent in prison, he never made the place a home.
I should be clapping for you.
Father, I still keep praying for my brothers.
What I'm seeking to do is to transform my miserable life into something more productive.
And stop bothering me with philosophies. What is this?
Show me your friend and I'll show you your character.
You be wicked, friend.
That is not the case.
The Lord will perform a miracle.
It's as though some heavy load is being carried off my shoulders.
Bami danger. One day, me too, I will get my freedom.
And nothing shall by any means stop you.
Well, for your information,
Skido, what? You know be this same thing where me than you do, where it land we for here?